Now we are going to practice writing some variable expressions. If x represents your age, what was your age 5 years ago? It'd be x minus 5. How would you represent twice your age if x is your age now? 2 times x. What will your age be in 8 years if you're x years old now? X plus 8. What is 1/4 of your age? You could write it as 1/4 x, or you could write it as x over 4. Either way, there's two ways to take a fourth of something: multiply it by a fourth or divide it by 4. How would you represent your cousin's age who is half as old as you? Well, if you're x years old, then your cousin would be 1/2 x, or x over 2. And twice your age 3 years ago. Now be careful here. Your age 3 years ago would be x minus 3. Double that. In order to double that, you're going to need parentheses around it. 2 times the quantity x minus 3. Now we're going to define a variable to represent the unknown and write the phrase as a variable expression. 10 miles an hour faster than the Honda. Well, we don't know how fast the Honda is going, so we have to use a variable to represent that speed. So I'm going to let x equal the speed of the Honda, and then the variable expression that would represent 10 miles an hour faster than that would be x plus 10. 7 inches shorter than Jill's brother. Again, we don't know the height of Jill's brother, so we'll define a variable to represent that unknown. B is the height of Jill's brother. You could use whatever variable you want. Shorter than is like less than, is going to be b minus 7. 5 acres larger than twice the size of my lot. We don't know the size of my lot, so we'll let k equal the size of the lot. 5 acres larger than twice that size. Twice that size would be 2k, and 5 more than that would be 2k plus 5. And finally, $7.50 times the number of people plus a $20 group registration. What is the unknown here? The number of people. We do not know how many people there are, so let y equal the number of people. Each person is going to be charged $7.50, and then there's a $20 group registration, so that gets paid once. So I'm looking at this as 20 plus 7.5 times y, where y is the number of people. Or you could flip it around, 7.5y plus 20. Now I think you can see here how we're going to be using these variable expressions in solving word problems. This plays a big part in solving word problems in algebra.